In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open up your Google Earth Pro, you want to go to the top left and click on File. From here, you want to click on Open. And now, the first thing you want to do is switch this down here at the bottom right. So by default, it's going to be like this, and you won't be able to see your CSV files. So click on here, scroll down, and click on All Data Import Formats because CSV is in here. So click on that, and then from here, you want to find your CSV file you want to import. I have some Google Earth demo locations over here. I'm going to click on them and click on Open. Now, from here, you want to click on Field Type Delimited, and then from here, you want to select comma because this is of course a CSV, which means comma separated values. Here you can then select your text encoding, and you can even preview the pane over here, so how it's going to look like. There we go. For me, that looks good, and I'm going to click on Next. And then from here, you can of course select different fields if you want to as well. And if everything looks good, so the field types and stuff like this, you can hit the Finish button, and then it's going to ask you if you want to apply a style template to the features you ingested. You could do yes or no. I'm going to do yes over here, and I'm just going to basically create a new one over here. Click on OK, and then you can of course change things over here. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm just going to click on OK again, and then I'm going to just save this as 1. There we go, and click on Save. Now, of course, you can name that whatever you want, and now it's going to pop me directly to where my CSV file takes effect. So if I enable it by checking the check mark over here, there we go. You can now see them over here. These are the sample locations I imported via my CSV file. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.